When you click on Review Dates in the left navigation pane, you'll find yourself at the heart of case management in lawoffice.ai. Review dates are a fundamental tool for ensuring that all case tasks are completed on time, while giving you a clear, straightforward list of tasks to tackle each day. At the top, you'll find My Dates, a quick and easy way to see all the review dates assigned specifically to you. This is the perfect place to start your day, as it helps you organize and manage your cases efficiently. Whether you're checking progress or prioritizing your workload, this section is your daily launchpad. Next, you'll notice Past Due, easily identified by its red notification. This section is critical for staying on top of your responsibilities, as it highlights any overdue dates that require immediate attention. Clearing these ensures that no important case events are missed and helps maintain the momentum of your casework. For a broader perspective, the Open Dates section provides a quick count and overview of all open review dates. This gives you a snapshot of ongoing tasks, making it easier to assess the overall workload. The Review Date search panel operates much like the Cases search panel from the previous tutorial. Each field allows you to filter your search results, helping you locate specific review dates quickly. Beneath the Start Date field, you'll find convenient quick date actions. Clicking these will automatically populate the start and end dates for a streamlined search experience. Once you're ready, simply click Search to view the review date search results. In the results, each row provides key details about the review date. Clicking on the Case Matter link will take you directly to the case details, while clicking anywhere on the row will open the review date itself. From there, you can edit the review date, update its status to Completed once the task is done, and save your changes. Use Save to commit the changes, or Save and back to last search if you need to revisit the search results for further action. This feature is particularly handy if you need to switch between review dates and case details frequently. Returning to the Case toolbar, you can access all review dates for a specific case. These dates are grouped into 3 sections: Past Due, Next Up, and Pending dates. Past due dates are always displayed first, emphasizing the importance of addressing overdue tasks to prevent missed deadlines or critical case events. Next, you'll see the Next Up date, followed by any additional pending dates that require attention. To create a new review date, simply click the New Review Date button. From there, enter the date, type, and the assignee for the task. By default, your account will be listed in the Assign To field, but you can easily reassign it to another account if needed. Once you've filled out the details, click Save, and you're ready to move on to the next task for the day. By leveraging these tools, you can maintain a clear, organized workflow and ensure no important case tasks are overlooked.